I'm Kurt Hoke. I work for Caterpillar Motor Grader Product Engineering. Today we're going to be talking about the 16GC, some of the features and benefits, and comparing it to our other Caterpillar Motor Grader models. The drawbar circle moldboard is the heart of the work tools for the motor grader. We have improved structure on our drawbar with larger gussets, thicker blade beams, as well as our circle drive that we're able to carry over from our current production. This has a standard circle drive slip clutch, as well as our 3-bearing pinion and pinion shaft, which is updated for improved geometry as well as durability. Our auto lube system is also mounted on our drawbar. You can see you have a clear visual indicator of the level of the grease, which makes it very easy to maintain. The auto lube system will hit a majority of the grease points on this machine automatically for you. The draft ball located at the front of the drawbar is our tried and true design, carried from our H to our 16 graders today. The draft ball has removable shims to allow it to be tightened up as it wears. You're also able to replace both the draft ball as well as the ball socket to bring a factory new tightness to the system. The front frame on our 16GC motor grader uses a fabricated box section. This provides optimized durability for your motor grader structures. Our blade lift accumulators are a standard feature on our 16GC motor grader. The blade lift accumulators provide an additional cushion to prevent structural damage to your frame as well as your drawbar circle moldboard system. The 16GC moldboard uses a common 16-foot moldboard with the previous models. The mounting for the 16-foot moldboard is the same as well. We use a wear strip adjustment to allow the blade to remain tight for optimum grading performance. The hydraulic pin puller is a standard feature on the 16GC. That allows the drawbar circle moldboard to be shifted significantly from one side to the other. For those who do not use that feature, we have a manual pin puller option to allow simplified operation for the machine. The hydraulic fittings on the steering cylinders have been rotated up to get them out of the debris path. Optional steering guards are also available to help with steering cylinder durability. The 16GC is equipped with access ladders on both your right-hand and left-hand sides of the machine. The machine is equipped with the traditional H-Series cab. You're going to see the lever controls as well as steering wheel with an updated appearance of black with a dawn gray interior. The machine is equipped with a metallic fuel tank with 114-gallon capacity. This allows the operator to run a full shift without worry of refueling. The rear fenders are an optional attachment on the 16GC. These fenders offer a safety improvement to help reduce the amount of debris built up on the tandem walkways. This machine is equipped with a hydraulic braking system at all 4 rear wheels, which improves stopping performance as well as brake durability. The optional bottom guard provides protection for critical machine components, such as the transmission as well as hydraulic filters. The ripper design is common with previous models. Although the mounting plate has changed, the upper, lower links, and ripper carriage are all interchangeable. The proprietary capture system allows for a quick and easy change of ripper teeth, as well as optional shank protectors. Serviceability of the batteries was considered during design. The batteries are easily removed, as well as great access to the terminals has been provided. Ground level access has been provided for your master disconnect switch, your jump studs or optional jump receptacle, as well as your fuses and circuit breakers. The engine oil filter is easily serviced from the right-hand side of the machine. We also provide access to our oil sampling port at this location. Caterpillar Next Gen filters are used on this model. This allows the filter element to be changed without spilling a drop of oil onto the ground. With safety being paramount for our customers, we developed an enhanced rear vision camera system. The wide angle as well as improved resolution provides enhanced visibility at the rear of the machine. This machine offers optional halogen and LED lighting for both working lights as well as roading lights. LED lighting provides superior performance for nighttime operations. Remote drains have been provided for coolant, engine oil, and hydraulic systems. The engine coolant remote drain is located at the right rear of the machine. The engine oil and hydraulic system remote drains are located at the left rear. The hydraulic tank has been relocated to the rear of the machine for ease of service. Additionally, a high-capacity in-tank hydraulic filter has been utilized. The hydraulic pumps have been moved from underneath the cab to the rear of the machine. This provides a much quieter operator environment. An optional secondary steering system is available on this unit. The secondary steering system allows for safe operation of the machine in the event of an engine failure or loss of hydraulic function. Sight gauges have been provided both on the shunt tank and hydraulic tank for ease of maintenance. The underhood lighting system provides illumination to your hydraulic tank, shunt tank, engine oil fill, as well as your transmission differential fill tube. The daily service points have been consolidated on the left-hand side of this machine. These include your engine oil, as well as your transmission differential dipstick and your air filter. As you can see, the fuel filters are all located on this side of the machine. The fuel filters utilize high-efficiency filter elements, as well as our next-gen filter design. The filters can be changed without putting a drop of fluid onto the ground. Listening to customer feedback, we've implemented a metallic air filter housing, which provides excellent durability for this component. This machine is equipped with a C13 engine. It provides best-in-class power as well as excellent torque rise. The benefits of the C13 include excellent fuel efficiency, as well as a standard compression brake provides enhanced machine retarding, as well as improved braking durability. The C13 engine provides excellent fuel efficiency. Eco mode is a standard feature on this machine. The mining customer will love the 282 first gear horsepower. This represents an industry-leading power in this machine size class. The fast fill system is an option on this model. It allows for much quicker fills at up to 150 gallons per minute. The fast fill system also enhances safety by allowing for ground level fuel fill. This cab uses the traditional H-Series layout. It is a steering wheel and lever controlled hydraulics. The cab is ROP certified and comes in a low profile configuration only. A new transmission shifter has been implemented on this model. It provides ease of shuttle shifting forward to reverse, as well as simple gear changes with the click of a button. Park brake engagement is independent of shifter position on this model. The park brake is applied with simple push of a button. Cab interior lighting standard, the radio package standard with optional Bluetooth. The control layout on this cab is very similar to your traditional H. All of your rocker switches are located on the right-hand B post or on the console itself. The new indication display provides maintenance icons, as well as indication for coolant temperature, hydraulic temperature, engine RPM, articulation status, and fuel level. The premium seat offers lumbar support, tilt, slide. Armrest comes standard with both the cloth seat as well as the base vinyl seat. Heating and air conditioning are both standard on this unit. Grease points have been added to the tip cylinder to improve durability. The moldboard pivot pins have also been improved. The pins have been plated as well as grease points added, again to improve the durability of that component. The design of the moldboard wear strip adjustment has also been improved. We now use through bolts, which are easily replaceable. The moldboard wear strips are a shimmable design, again, ease of maintenance, similar to what the old 16Hs used to be. The front axle structure has been carried over from previous models. All the durability improvements, which include gusseting, larger section on the main axle body, are all present on this model. The front axle has been designed to allow maximum clearance when traversing windrows. The auto lube has been well integrated into the front axle to maximize component durability as well as ease of maintenance. Mounting for the front axle guards is included standard on every unit. We offer a new push block on this model. This push block is increased in weight by approximately 300 kilograms. It allows better weight balance on the machine to really stick the front end during heavy blade loads. Changes to the design of the push block have been made to improve serviceability of the front axle. The front axle pin can now be fully removed without the need to remove the push block. The mounting pattern for the push block has not changed from previous models. This allows interchangeability of front attachments, push blocks, or other things that the customer may have. The optional front lighting package has been extended to the corner of the machine. This allows better visibility, both for the operator of this unit as well as other operators on the mine site.